Hey guys, welcome back. So we are doing a movie review. This is really more like, I mean, I don't know, we have to really develop our movie review format. This is part of the process.
It's like schooling Hillary slash exposing Hillary slash you exposing us slash having a good ass time. Reactions.
Anywho, we are here to do another movie situation.
Today we got Justin.
Yeah, we are watching Dogtooth. This is something I have like no idea. This lady has a bloody nose mouth situation. The movie is called Dogtooth. Like
we're looking at the poster.
No idea what
it's one of my favorite movies.
Is about. It's an artsy movie.
It's an artsy movie. It's Greek. It has subtitles. Yorgos Lanthimos. He has a couple of movies. He's super good. Is my water bottle over here? I gave it to you. An inscrutable scenario that suggests a warped experiment in social conditioning and control. Terrorized into submission by their father, the children spend their days devising their own ... It's hella crazy. It's so good.
It looks crazy.
Neither of you guys have seen it?
Yeah.
Oh, you haven't seen it?
No, I know a lot about it.
This is a me and Yoshi movie.
I'm very surprised about which movies like you guys haven't seen. Like, it's just surprising to me.
Anyways, let's watch this movie. Let's watch this movie.
Let's watch a movie, guys.
Yeah, oh, that's what it is.
Oh, my eyes are burning.
Oh, you have to wear your glasses though. You need to be able to see to read. Can you turn it up a little bit? I love subtitles. I sometimes watch American things with subtitles. Just because I like them so much. Cinematography is good in this movie.
I used to be a simple girl.
I used to like simple things. I wish I spoke another language.
You could do it.
I know.
This is how, if you're gonna have a long shot, this is how you
do it versus the room. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, with like intent.
I wouldn't call these long shots. These are more like just long takes. Well, a long shot has more intention than just being a static shot.
Okay.
What does that mean, Justin?
Like, have you seen
like, there's hella shit going on versus like this is just.
Yeah, have you seen like Goodfellas or Boogie Nights?
No.
It's not the phone.
I think it is. They're being brainwashed. Ooh, that pink door. Oof.
That pink floor.
So good. Like that little red thing in the corner? Or those green filing cabinets? Or that painting right there? Or those brown like baker boxes? Like cabinet things? It's so good. That's hella fucked up. Hillary the other day was like, I don't know, Monty be doing some weird shit. Have his leg up in the air, like smelling stuff.
Oh my god!
Because he... We're having like other conversation and this happens. Her computer science makeup.
It's computer
business? It wasn't computer science?
No.
What did Lisa do in the room? Computer business?
I can't remember what it was.
Some shit like that. It was like computer.
The computer industry.
Oh, computer industry. Did you look it up?
Yeah.
It doesn't say profession.
Here's a Wikipedia article.
That's funny.
Is that what it was? I don't remember industry. That seems like too long of a word.
Computer industry is so competitive.
Yeah. Occupation. Unspecified job in the computer industry.
How do the parents like keep up with these words and stuff, you know? If they're not like on the cassette tape, like zombie or pussy.
Is that what they have to like play back the lies? Is that what's happening? In order for them to like remember shit?
Oh, instead of music, but like
all this nonsense.
That would make
listening, so that way
they can keep up, and if something like this happens, makes sense.
They wildin'.
I mean, what else? What would you do if you were in this situation? You'd be wildin' too.
I mean, if I was getting hit over the head with all sorts of shit, I don't think I would be.
Maybe not.
Like, if I didn't think I had other choices, and I was just like, my options are to get beat the fuck up with weird ass objects, or like, just fall in line, I might just fall in line. I mean, people are getting knocked out with VCRs and shit. In 2000, what year is this?
9.
2009, people getting knocked out with VCRs. know? This ain't the 80s.
Not even a DVD player or Blu-ray player.
You know, like, damn, if you still get knocked out in 2009 with a VCR, I'm just saying, you're in a situation. You might want to, like, weigh your options real seriously.
Hey, balloons on the ground because you can't afford helium.
Sure.
I know.
Come on, Montego.
This movie is weird.
Montego, come on. Oh no. Wait, what's happening? I don't like this at all. Montego, come up here, please. I need to, like, take my eyes off what's happening. Come on, Montego, please. Come up here. Montego.
Oh my god.
Oh no. Thank you.
Oh fuck.
Wait, you should know. You've seen this movie.
I know, but I haven't seen it in so long I can't remember.
And it's like, damn, she was so close, but yet so far.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how it ends because, not to like, yeah, because most of his movies end like that. It's like, oh shit, was it this or was it that? Oh, you guys did it.
Wow.
It was great.
Yeah.
Really good.
It was fucked up. It was good, but it was like, damn. Shit.
It was like a lot of payoff. It's like a lot of things that you had to sit and wait for, and then it finally paid off.
Very little narrative, but there was a story. So.
I didn't mind that it wasn't in English. Like, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
So that's good, because I hate when you notice that you're reading subtitles, you know?
You think because the dialogue was so limited?
Maybe, because sometimes it's just too much to read, you know?
It's like too much to keep up with.
Yeah, I have to read a story plus watch things that are happening at the same time. Like, I'm not that talented, you know? Like, I don't have, like, chameleon eyes. I can be on two different things at the same time. They have to focus on the same thing. So
look at Montego's face.
Either I'm gonna, like, read the thing or I'm gonna, like, watch the people.
Montego, you're looking beautiful.
Oh, Mr. Montego.
You're so regal. Doing a little, like, Yep. It was pretty, though, right? Pretty. Good acting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good story. Even though, like, at points you're like, wait, what?
Mm-hmm.
But the limited knowledge, like, information they gave you, it painted the picture.
Oh, man.
I would like to know the father's motivation.
Yeah.
But it's kind of cool that we don't.
Yeah, it's kind of not the point.
Yeah.
It's just, this is their lives. Do I get this movie forever or what?
7 days.
Oh, it's a rent or something?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
There's a $10 buy forever, but...
Should we watch the trailer?
Oh, yeah.
I like that. Yeah, I like that as a concept, watching the movie and watching the trailer.
But we did watch the trailer last
Oh, we did, true. But now you have context, so...
Στα μέσα δεν κινδυνεύεται.
Oh, it's shot so nicely.
Ένα παιδί είναι έτοιμο να φύγει από το σπίτι του.
Πέσει ο δεξιός κοινόδομος.
Μόνο τότε ο οργανισμός είναι έτοιμος να αντιμετωπίσει όλους τους κινδύνους που παραφυλάνε. Για να πάρουν τα λάθος ερεθίσματα και να δημιουργήσουν το λάθος χαρακτήρα. Πραγματικά σου το εύχομαι.
It's so good.
Both of the, even, Rocky Horror. Like, we didn't even have to watch the movie after watching the trailer.
Yeah, the trailer, like, spilled everything.
How come it only has 7 stars?
I don't know.
5 stars.
Yeah, I think they don't get it. Or it's too slow, or it's just too...
3.5 out of...
Like, what about the girl in the trunk?
I'm glad you guys bared through that with me. For like a good 20 minutes, I was like, oh man, they're really hating this.
What? Why would I hate it?
Or maybe more Hillary than you, but...
Yeah.
I mean, it was like, okay, because it was so weird, it was like, okay, I'm just gonna keep watching this. It definitely, I felt like it was taking a long time
to make the point.
Yeah. And it was so odd that it was like, oh man, where's this going? But it was so odd that it's like, you can't not watch it, you know? So it's like, okay, I'm just gonna keep watching
I think just when it was like too long of like, this is too...
random
like,
and shit.
It would then pop you back in. Like, the pacing felt good to me.
But I don't think it's a comedy. I mean, maybe I'm just unsophisticated in my ability to comprehend like film shit, but like I don't think it's funny.
Oh, it had its moments.
But
this movie's supposed to be really good.
So, but I guess this is what I'm trying to like say is that yeah, there were parts I laughed, but
Halloween Justin.
I just felt like
Yes.
I wasn't laughing at the fact that there was.
It wasn't Napoleon Dynamite funny.
No, but as in like okay, so obviously we don't know why these people are doing these weird things, right? Like there's the father's making them do shit, but we're just laughing at the fact that they're doing shit that doesn't make any sense.
There's like a difference.
It's not like intended like, oh, I'm saying funny things. We're laughing at the fact that either there's a cultural difference because they're Greek and there's something that we just don't like do. Like dress up for like dinner. Maybe that's a Greek thing. Or drink milk and shit all the time. I don't know. Maybe that's a Greek thing. I don't know. But there's either some kind of cultural difference that we're laughing at or the point of the movie is that they're doing things that make no sense and we don't understand why. So I don't know that I mean, I guess maybe just because I'm a layman, to me that doesn't automatically translate to comedy.
I gotcha.
Because I don't know. I don't really know how to describe it or explain it past that. I just don't know if I would consider this a comedy. The swimming pool is European, it's artistic, and they speak English because it's like an English person and a French person. They speak English. Mm-hmm. So is it just because they didn't speak English and therefore there's need for subtitles that it worked exclusively?
Or maybe that subtitles were on the screen.
Or is it just like I guess I'm just trying to like say like because you say American, it wouldn't work for an American film. Well, what if it was a European film that spoke English and didn't need subtitles? Anyways, it was a good time. I feel sorry for those people. Unfortunately, there's some shit like that going on in real life somewhere. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So I hope that person gets out of their situation. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed our little commentary. And also my little gray cat over here.
Antico.
He's just like living it up right now.
He's like between my two babes.
That's life. Ugh, I'm sure the cat sometimes. But anyways, make sure you guys like come back for more. We're gonna watch some other good stuff as you heard. And yeah. Thanks for spending this time with us.
Bye.
Bye. Yay, we recorded some shit.